Hello, welcome to another episode of Will's World. This time, taking a look at this. It's called the Rugged Twill Ranger Backpack, and it's by US brand Filson. Will's World. If you've seen our new green gear guide over on outdoorsmagic.com, you'll know that recently we've been talking a lot about how more and more brands are making products in more environmentally friendly, more sustainable ways. There's a lot of good innovation going on. However, we can't help noticing that not enough brands are making products to really last. That's why I want to talk about this bag by Filson. It's not super technical. It's not the kind of thing that we'd normally feature on Outdoors Magic, but this is something that is pretty much gonna last you forever. You'll see my in the videos here, my colleague John, he took this out to the South Downs recently to give it a run through. The main part of this bag is made from Filson's Rugged Twill, which is a really, really thick cotton that's woven together in the same way as denim. It's not going to scuff, it's not going to rip. Downside, however, is that it's only water resistant, it's not waterproof. So if you're taking this out in the rain, the stuff inside is potentially going to get wet. On the top though, we have a lovely oil canvas, and this will actually offer quite a good degree of wet weather performance. And you can reproof it yourself using wax. Inside, there's a laptop sleeve, you've got the buckles here, you've got the shoulder straps here. Pretty basic. It's not a technical bag. It'll swallow a fair bit of kit, 26.5 litres, and there's a bit of padding on the back, so it does make for a comfortable carry. But here's the good bit. Filson offer a lifetime guarantee on this, meaning if it does happen to wear out, they'll take it back and repair it for you free of charge. What's more, if you do send in something on warranty that Filson deem completely irreparable, something that they can only replace, they'll take it off your hands and send it to their restoration department. And here, they'll strip down that product, pick away all the seams, and rebuild it into something completely different and unique, and then sell it on to give it a second life. Costs a whopping 250 quid. It's a lot of money, but if you do consider that it's going to last you a lifetime and it comes with that lifetime guarantee, that does make it a little bit easier to stomach. That's it for this week then. Thanks very much for tuning in. Catch you next week where I'll be talking about another new product that's caught my eye.